Huh? Durability.
Much too weak. Next one.
The dreams. No way in hell that was real. Who the hell is sending me these? What? Oh shit! No! I gotta get out of here! What the hell is this? It's locked! Somebody help me! Help! Anybody! Get me out of here, please! Burning up in here! What?
You never listen. I told you to turn down the music, but still, night after night.
You're that guy from next door, aren't you? Possible! No! Somebody help!